Welcome back to my channel guys. Meron tayong piniplay si Ma'am Shen pa rin. Okay, ito yung kuha niya. Ayan. I-want on mute. I-mute natin kasi mas copyright tayo. Kumain pa rin tayo ng masarap na carbonara. Spaghetti carbonara. Yung paborito ng mga Pinoy is spaghetti bolognese. Yung tomato sauce na medyo matamis, sweet tomato sauce. Meron siyang meat. Masarap yun, no? So set out tayo kay Pink 96 Lover. Salamat sa blessing na binigay. Okay. Set out tayo sa new subscriber. Dito pa tayo. Set out tayo kay Relax with Meal. Kasi may member doon pang live. Yan. Yan. Tayo. Get out DJM Mix Vlog. Yan. Shout out Honey Pie Vlog. Shout out. Ship hit. Shout out. Si Ma'am Loyalty, Living After Life. Shout out. Yung member si Build Your Vlog. Yan, shout out. Puntahan nyo guys, supportahan at babalik yan sa iyo. Okay, kain mo tayo. Sarap ng carbonara. Yan. Sarap kumain ng tsaka manood ng Mexican yan. Shout out Bila Pinis. Yan. Shout out. Si Ma'am Romel at saka si Sir Romel at saka si Ma'am Pauline. Shout out. Shout out Gamer Christy Nicola. Shout out ma'am. Thank you for sharing my video. I also share your video ma'am. Okay. Shout out also to According to Jeff. Ayan. Shen Piano, Relaxing with Milk. Shout out. Drawn from Life, Pink 96 Lover. BGM according to Jeep. Shout out also to Inting Butingting. Yan, Inting Butingting. Christy Nicola, Honey Pie Vlog, shout out. Yan. Siya si Happy Homes. Hanapin nga ba si Happy Homes and Beauty. Shout out to din kay Enris Road. Yan. Si Lumaga Vlog, shout out. Shout out din kay sino ba yun? Kalimutan ko pangalan. Ito na. Si Idol Buboy. Yan, si Buboy Palad pala. Shout out. Shout out also to Busan Gugugu. Busan Gugugu. To bike. La 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 la. Ito na si Happy Homes. Shout out ng Happy Homes and Beauty. Perlac Vlogs. Yan. At ma'am. Makita ang pangalan. Okay. Yan. Na, 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 na. Shadow. Shout out Shadow. Yan, Shadow. Barcelona Street. Shout out. Appetizer items, shout out. Kita na. Shout out din na kay Ma'am Fatima Shahida, or first, yung unang member ko. Yan. My first member. Yan. Papalo si Pink, si Living After 50s, Pink 96 Lovers, saka sila Honey Pie, si John from Life, saka si Bill Jar Vlog. So shout out tayo kay Stripe Academy. Yan. Shout out din kay Lourdes Wasin. Yan. Rami-rami rin tayo dito. Johnny Depp official, good singer. Shout out. Marilu Vlog, shout out. Yan si Ma'am. May sari-sari story yan. Si Isran Hawa, Motovlog. So thank you guys.